if you look at the bottom of page 709, here's one of these always, sometimes, never. And boy, these can be tricky sometimes. So let's take a look at them together. Polygons are always, sometimes, never plane shapes. All right. Well, a polygon has to exist on a plane. Always, always, always. So this is going to be always right there. Okay. Polygons are always, sometimes, never closed shapes. Well, for a polygon to be a polygon, it has to have a set number of sides, and and it always has to be closed. So we have got that right here. Polygons are always closed shapes. Polygons are always, sometimes, never open shapes. Now isn't that interesting? That would be never. Polygons are never open shapes. And plane shapes are always, sometimes, never polygons. Right? Plane shapes are sometimes polygons. This sometimes right here, that's like our example um, that we had up here. All right. This was a plane shape. All right. But it was not a polygon. This, that's a plane shape. That is a polygon. All right. So here was a no, and here was a yes, and then this one over here was also a no. So it depends. All right. Let's turn the page to 710. On page 710. Some traffic signs are in the shape of polygons. A stop sign is made in the shape of which polygon? All right, so polygons are named by the number of sides and angles that they have. All right, so remembering that um, on the previous page we talked about the prefix or the root, the Greek and Latin root gon or agon means side. And then we've got some really, really kind of cool prefixes that we can use, Greek and Latin prefixes that can help us out here. We know that tri, like a tricycle um, or triangle, means three. All right. Um, so that helps us right here. A triangle has three sides. Triangle. Okay. And then we have the prefix or the Greek and Latin root quad. A quad, that's four. Okay. Um, like a quad runner or a four wheeler. So we've got four right there. Penta, the root for five is penta. And you can think of that like the Pentagon that is in the Washington, D.C. area. We have got hexa, and hexa means six. We're going to skip 7 simply because we don't use it very much, although there is a root for it. But we're going to go right to octo or octa. So we have octa, or we could use octo, which means 8. All right, so we have an octopus, an 8-legged animal. And then we've got deca. And deca means 10. So like a decade, 10 years. Okay. So using this information right here, should be pretty easy to fill in what we got right here. So a triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles. Quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 angles. Pentagon, 5 sides, 5 angles. And you guessed it, hexagon, 6 sides, 6 angles, 8 sides, 8 angles for an octagon, 10 sides, 10 angles for a decagon. All right. So how many sides does the stop sign have? Well, the stop sign up here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 8 sides. It also has 8 angles. So a stop sign is in the shape of an octagon. 8 sides. Okay. So think about these prefixes here and just some of our everyday language and words. Triplets, for example. If you have triplets or a triple, TRI, 3. So a lot of neat things there that you can use these roots for. Okay? Good luck with your assignment. I know you'll do great, and we'll see you back soon.